Hi, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon.
One Dominar, one KTM 390 Adventure, five crazy Himalayans. I don't know why they need air for off-road condition. Now we enter into Himalayans playground. It is completely into the jungle. Look at these roads, look at these roads. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on baby, you can do it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, my tires, sir, I couldn't even see the grip anywhere. Hi, what's up everyone? This is Shravan. Welcome to another vlog. It's a weekend again, it's Sunday. As you guys can see, today we have a very good fleet today. And we are going to an insane place, a very beautiful place which is unexplored by many of the Bangalore guys. We are going towards Hoskote, Bangalore Tirupati highway. From Hoskote we will be taking a deviation towards Madanapalli, Horsley Hills Road. We are going to a place called Kailashagiri. It's a complete off-road trail. So we all are going there. Today we have 8 bikes in our fleet. One Dominar, one KTM 390 Adventure, 5 crazy Himalayans, fully modified, customized Himalayans. Going to be a crazy ride. I am the one, I think, who is going to suffer today with this Dominar in that off-road conditions. I hope I can stay up with this off-road beast. We are almost near to Kayarpuram. I'm in ITI. Here the other Sagar and Shiv are going to join from here. We'll see whether if they reached or not. If they didn't reach yet, we will be waiting for them for another 5-10 minutes. Sagar already started. I mean the other Sagar. Don't get confused. There are 2 Sagars in this ride. Sagar Square. And both of them are on Himalayans. We will see if they already reached there. Shiv, I think you guys know from my previous Dandiganhalli Dam ride, Black Himalayan. So the Sagars is also Black Himalayan. Sagar already reached. We are actually blocking the area, so we thought we'll go a little bit further. We are exactly at the turn, so it's better we will go a little bit ahead and stay over there. So this is the fleet we have today. This is my Dominar, Himalayan, and one KTM 390 Adventure, Sagar. See, as you guys can see, this today we have a complete set of full off-road machines, all Himalayans. That's one KTM over there. Gurus, this KTM is also fully loaded. You guys can see, I guess. All the bikes over here are fully loaded. Shiv is also here. That's his Himalayan. So now the fleet is complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Himalayans, 1 Dominar 400 and 1 KTM 390 Adventure on the way to Kailashagiri Hills. Yeah, I'm so much excited today. Yeah, we'll start in 5 minutes. We'll get onto the bike and get back to you guys. Sleet Sagar is setting up the map. Till Hoskote we will be taking this Bangalore Tirupati highway only. From Hoskote we need to take a slight deviation towards left. Insane. Which is towards this Horsley Hills Madanapalli road. Horsley Hills is also a very good place. Later sometime I will show you guys. We are almost near this Hoskote toll gate. In 500 meters we will be reaching Hoskote toll. Here I can see a good lineup of bikes. I think these bikers are going somewhere. I'm not sure. It's a Dominar hub, guys. We'll wait for our guys. I don't know where they are. They came, they reached. We are just taking the deviation from the national highway. Sagar and Shivu are enjoying the ride. They both are connected on Senna. Not on Senna actually. I think it's VPhoneNet or something. And they are talking to each other and enjoying the ride and all. Remaining 6 of us are just cruising along with them. That's it. I am talking with you guys, so I am not lonely. Yeah, but others might feel lonely. It's good to have a Senna or else any other intercom so that you can keep on communicating with your buddies and you can just enjoy the ride. It's not only just for communicating or listening to music, it actually helps you giving the other riders a warning. Like if the rider ahead, like Sagar is leading the right now, right? So if he sees some pothole, if he sees some incoming traffic or anything, he can just give you a command like there is a pothole ahead, please take care, just be left or right, there is incoming traffic, something like that. When especially in group rides it should be there, I feel, because every one of us will have a different sort of riding style, and to stay connected with that, to stay connected with the riders, it's better if you have a Senna or else any type of intercom to talk with your buddies. Just stopped over here for a few minutes. Madhur and Santosh are filling up their bikes and they are filling up air in their bikes. I don't know why they need air for off-road condition. We are on this Madanapalli State Highway, Bangalore Madanapalli Highway, State Highway, not National Highway, it's a State Highway. Yeah, I think they are done. We'll get onto the bike and we'll move ahead. Now we entered into Himalayan's playground. Now I can't. Means now they should wait for me. Till now I was waiting for these guys. I was staying ahead, but now it's a playground for Himalayan. I should just keep sitting and watching them, that's it. Look at these roads, guys. It is completely into the jungle. For the first time I'm going through these roads. These Himalayan guys, no, seriously, they are enjoying the ride I am getting. I don't know, they just have a beep sound. It's a crazy road, guys, crazy road. I don't know camera is doing the justice or not. It's literally so steep. I'm on full accelerator right now. I'm giving full acceleration and I'm trying to push this baby up. Look at these roads, look at these roads. Crazy roads. And on top of that, it was raining since last 2-3 days. So look at this. I hope you guys can see. It's a proper off-road. I can imagine the Ladakh situation over here. Whoa. Back wheel is keep on spinning. It's losing its grip actually. We need a proper off-road spec tires. Maybe Pirelli Scorpion Trail or something like that. That was a piece of cake for this adventure bikes. For my bike, I'm struggling like anything.
Crazy travel.
You guys are enjoying nicely, okay? I can feel literally every small stone.
Dude, I need a stone, man. Look, can you hit the push that stone there? Up in there. Look him,
This is how it is, guys. I can feel all the pain in my hands. Actually, I turned on the camera in my midway. Yeah, same thing. Santosh is also explaining. See my tires. I hope you guys can see the tires, how it is spinning. I will have 0% grip on these type of terrains. When it comes to these off-road beasts, we'll have this button tires, so it will easily catch the grip. But for my bike, it's very tough. But still, my baby is keeping up with me. That is good. So far, so good. We just reached half the way. I let them go away. They are very far from me, if you guys can see. Look at this view, guys. Only thing that is disappointing me right now is my tires. If these tires are like off-road, means that will be very nice. Look at these roads. There is nothing. It's a cliff completely. If something goes wrong, we'll be directly into the valley. It's a very bad choice for Dominar in these roads. Dominar is a highway king, but when it comes to off-road, trust me, it's so bad. See, look at these guys. They are climbing this hill like a piece of cake. There is almost some 300 meters of distance between them and me. While coming down back, I don't know how many times I will make my bike slide, because looking at the slush, now it is uphill, so I'm just controlling it using my accelerator and clutch. But while coming down, there is a very minimal usage of accelerator, but there will be a lot of usage of brakes. So whenever I'm hitting brake, I definitely think that my bike will definitely skid. This is just not the terrain for Dominar. Definitely not. Trust me, if you are not experienced, please don't try it out on your Dominar. I mean to say, Himalayan will be a piece of cake for me. If I'm riding the Himalayan, that would be a different case. But for Dominar, without proper off-road tires, it will be very tough, very tough, trust me. I think you guys can see my bike is literally sliding over. Look at this road. I think these guys also slided a bit left and right. Whoa. Come on, baby, you can do it. Come on. Yeah. If you are a short rider, definitely you will face a trouble over there. Look at the view. whoa. Literally a few seconds back I thought I will make my baby fall. Then you can say like that will be, look at this guys, look at this. Crazy it is. There is nothing beyond this guys. If you just slip, you will definitely fall completely down. Look at the view, look at the view, look at the view, view. They all went happily over there, but they are not realizing, oh, I need to push and pull this 190 kgs beast up and down to reach there. Look at my tires. This is how my tires are. I couldn't even see the grip anywhere. Both front and back, see, it is all covered, all the grip is covered with the slush. It was keep on spinning. Whew. It was a crazy thing.
You know, Dominance adventure only.
Yeah.
Shujan's bike.
Yeah.
They went to Ladakh.
Hmm.
Everyone were going on Tiger. Shujan was struggling on strip.
Shravan, your subscribers
Exactly like that.
today.
Your rear tire was skidding there. I saw you.
Yeah. No, look at my rear tire once. How it is. While coming also there was a slush right at one place. It was keep on rotating. I thought I will definitely drop. Then slowly again I controlled using the clutch and I came out. Yeah, Bobo is very good. Even I was trying that.
Wireless charger.
It's a very good place, guys. Really liking it.
Wireless compatible.
What you are seeing right now is not actually the fog, guys. It's actually a cloud which is passing above us. It really feels like we are touching the clouds and we are into that clouds.
We spent some decent amount of half an hour over there, guys. Now we are further climbing up. These locals said like there is much better view if we go further up for another 3-4 kilometers uphill. We'll see. We'll go further up and we'll see how it looks like. Trust me, guys, if you guys have a better pair of tires, definitely you will be enjoying the ride. Now also I'm not saying I'm not enjoying the ride, only thing is I'm a bit struggling because the rear wheel is keep on spinning. This is very loose soil and it is slush, completely slush, and my ABS is keep on kicking. If you have a switchable ABS in your bike, trust me, you will enjoy like anything. You will properly get this Ladakh experience over here. Today it is a very adventurous ride, guys. I don't know which title I need to keep for this ride. We have a lost number plate. Sagar's number plate is gone due to this off-roading. And next, come on Santosh, show the treasure. We have a damaged iPhone.
Nearly lost a bag.
Damaged iPhone, see? It's completely gone. Screen is flickering, the camera is flickering, it is giving random effects.
Actually, Madhur is not dancing.
Yeah.
Finally, we reached to the complete hilltop, guys. Sagar and Shiv bought their bikes here, but we didn't bought our bikes. I was not sure to bring my bike down so as the others, because there is lack of grip over here. It's completely full slope. It's a very nice view. We are just sitting over here and chilling out. There they are. We took some nice time lapse. I will show those to you guys in a while. Everyone are sitting. Santosh, how is the ride?
How's the phone?
How is the phone?
Ask your subscribers to sponsor a phone. If you want one more video.
Sagar, how's the ride?
It's good. Nice off road near Bangalore.
Now the other part.
I need to get a new shoes.
Guru, how is your first time saddling on your KTM 390?
Good experience.
Good experience. Sagar,
Good. Except the number.
one more disappointed kid. The Himalayan child. He's disappointed about his number plate. Shiv, what about you? Good. I will not ask him. Let it be. Yeah, just chilling out here. We'll start after a while, like 15-20 minutes. Then we'll go to some breakfast place. We'll have our breakfast. Then we'll head back home.
We are done here, guys. Now we are going downhill. Once we hit back onto highway, I will get back to you guys. Again, it's the same road. I think now I better concentrate on the road because it is too slippery and it is downhill. We need to be very careful because ABS will be keep on kicking. It's better if I go down and then get back to you guys. Till then, stay tuned. Look at this, guys, how the road is. I hope you guys can see. My back wheel is literally sliding off, and yeah, it is completely sliding. I hope you guys can see the road full of slush. While getting up also, I had an issue with this. It's 200% because of the tires. I couldn't feel any grip on my tires basically now. There is no grip. It is completely filled. The tire's grip is filled with the slush and it is making me slide over. Now I'm not even giving any accelerator right now. It is just pushing me down. Please don't ever try until unless you have an experience of doing such things. Reached back onto the national highway, guys. We had a very nice ride. We took nice clippings, nice photos, nice slow-mos, time lapses, everything. That was a very insane, crazy ride, I would say, which I never had on my Dominar till now. Means doing such type of terrains with Dominar is like very much painful actually. I think you guys got the word which I wanted to use. It is so painful. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That will be a great support for the channel. Please stay tuned and stay subscribed. Till then, this is Shravan signing off. See you in another vlog. Bye.